Okay, let's do the Scratch Fish Tank Challenge. Task 1. Create a fish sprite and give it an appropriate name and copy this code. Right, so I've logged on to Scratch, I've logged into my account, and I'm going to click on Create. Okay, once it's opened, I'm going to give it a name so I can find it again easily. I'm going to call it Fish Tank. Very important that we keep ourselves organized. Okay, so the first task was to create a fish sprite. I have a cat here, so I'm going to get rid of the cat first of all, and then I'm going to find a fish sprite. I could easily do that by just typing in fish here. Which one shall I go for? I'm going to go for this one here, fish. Now, fortunately for me, this has already been given an appropriate name, fish, so I'll leave it like that. So what code do we have to copy? Well, we have to create two blocks, or the two subroutines. Now, subroutines are like our digital slaves. They do a job whenever we ask them to. And there's two, there's one called move left and there's one called move right. So that's what I'm going to do first of all. To create a block, you go down to My Blocks and click on Make a Block. I'm going to call it Move Left. Noticing I haven't got a space in between the two words, but I have got a capital L, making it easy to read. This is called camel case. Now, there isn't any more information to give these subroutines, so we'll leave it as that. Click on OK, and now we have a move left subroutine or block. I'm going to create a move right block in exactly the same way. OK, perfect. We now have move left and move right. Now, these two blocks, they move your fish either to the left or to the right. And when we put them together, it will make our fish go left and right as if it's a fish swimming in a fish tank. So move right, you point the fish into a 90-degree direction, move it 10 steps, wait for half a second, another 10, half, another 10, half, another 10, half. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Right, let me do that first of all then. So we turn, I'm looking for point in direction, there it is, point in direction 90. Then I want to move 10 steps. Then I want to wait half a second. And then I'm going to move another 10 steps and wait half a second. Do you know what? This is repetitive. So I'm going to go right click, duplicate. Perfect. Right click, duplicate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay then. Now we want to do exactly the same thing for move left, but I'm going to cheat. I'm going to say right click, duplicate, paste. But this time it's minus 90 because we want the fish to go to the left hand side. Right, so that is our code complete, other than the code that calls them. For that we need to start it with a green flag and then go call move right, move left, move right, move left. So events, when green flag is clicked, we go down to our blocks and we say move left, move right, move left, move right. I think that's all. Oh, they've done it the other way around, but it doesn't matter. Let's see if our code works. Clicking on the green flag. Oh, our fish has gone upside down. I know how to fix that. If I go down to direction and I click on these two arrows here, our fish will not go upside down now. So let's try that again. There we go. Like a fish is patrolling. Okay, good. Task 1 complete.